So we're just bebopping around Zurich, Switzerland, and trying some of these crazy Swiss chocolates that we found in a little store. Pretty awesome. The train station is really great, but it was like $30, which just goes to, along with the cost of living being super high here, which is crazy, but it's good. It's good food. Dumplings are good. Off a little truck, food truck. Of course, the bratwursts are amazing in this whole area of the country. This is beef, cheese, and pork with a little spice to it, and this one is a veal bratwurst.